so sad we're all sitting or
We're just listening to him snoring.
everyone just got completely silent to listen. Oh my god.
That's
What
actually
the
hurting my ear.
fuck?
That's animal snoring.
I was listening to a song.
Are you recording it, dude? Vicious. Hey, Halo Free.
Yeah.
Do you have a sound recorder on your computer?
No.
Damn. Oh, I love this map, dude. Do you
I
like this
hate
map?
this map.
Sleeping like a little baby.
My baby made that sound, I would throw it out the window.
Dude, that's annoying. Please kick him out.
No, we gotta record it first. Post it up, animal snoring. For like 1,000 hits.
How would you record that? You would have to put a...
Vicious is recording.
If I still have that add-on, I would.
We gotta post this on the site, dude.
I'm gonna mute his mic for right now.
No, I don't have it anymore.
That's such loud snoring. What's that coming out of his nose? How much noise coming out of your nose? Is the game started there?
It's your pat when you fall asleep, the muscles relax, it falls down your throat, and when you breathe, the air makes it vibrate.
Snore.
No, medical classes in my day. Wow, you just got handled.
Who, me? Yeah, because my gun sucks.
So do you.
Oh,